maybe I have to tell I'm not at work. And I haven't been for 10 days. Just because I had my parents over and taking a bit more time off while I've got my youngest boy still getting into the swing of things. But I've got 5 more days and I'll be back at work, so just starting to get on a little bit bored side. Been busy doing bits and bobs around the house and this and that. But this has been bugging me for a while. I need to wash my ute, my wife's car, and we'll have a bit of a general yak on the way. So we'll get started with the ute. Who needs starting here because need to reorganise this. Normal ute, got a lot of work gear in it, that sort of stuff. And I sort of want to give it a bit of a scrub up in here too, so I'll roll the tonneau back, pull the rubber liner out, give her a scrub up. Yeah, wow. A bit of stuff to clean up. Of course, I did a run with my old boy last week. I didn't film it because it was a hot shot, but they put all new steers and drive tyres on my truck, so they took all my bling off. I just didn't put it back on because I had to re-torque all the wheel nuts and shit. So while I'm doing my ute, I might as well wash it all up before I go back to work. I'm actually gonna go in on Sunday, do a bit of work to my truck and give it a wash and everything, but first things first, get everything out. Also just realised one thing. The front of the ute's rolling downhill. I want to clean that tub. I should probably have that downhill, so swap my ute around. Yeah, perfect. I can see the ground. What did you get wet? Here. What? Put that in the rubbish bin. You're on. Oh, that was lucky. Now I normally wouldn't use a broom on the outside of the car, but this is a truck broom, so it's a very soft bristle. I won't use it on the sides or anything, but it'll be right for today. Plus I'm being a little bit lazier. Can't be bothered trying to reach with the sponge. Make sure you get the shade tail. Oh yeah, back one day. Things you do when you haven't got a job. Well, I've got a job, but don't have a truck at the moment. Now, of course, I'm going against the grain when it comes to the way the water flows. Yeah, that's all right. We'll get it done. Stay there, bro.
What?
Stay there.
Nah.
Just don't go on the other side of the camera, then.
What?
Because YouTube doesn't like that, bro.
No.
Oh.
Then that's.
Stand away from it.
On the roof.
Stay that side.
Stay.
Man, I could just edit you out. Ah.
Oh.
Hang on, bro.
Bubbles.
Yeah, it's bubbles, bro.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
You're gonna kill me, boy. Hey? Don't mind me, just having a conversation with my boy. So, yeah. Been going through comments and shit like I always do. And one that seems to be popping up, and I think it's because I've been wearing my custom merchandise a bit on camera lately, is where can we get it, this and that. I mean, I haven't set up a store. My merch is done through Desperado Co. And I don't have a stock of it, but I order on demand. And I mainly do things through Snapchat. Just works out just a little bit easier doing everything through Snapchat. So, yeah. So if you are interested, you want to add me on Snapchat. God, he makes a lot of noise for a 3-year-old. Shush! Then pause that. There, how far I can zoom into that. Scan the QR. Do what you have to do. That's me on Snapchat. I'll normally add you back anyway. I've got a bit of a following going on over there. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, that print can either go on t-shirts, singlets or hoodies. I also do custom footy shorts, but ask me about those on Snapchat if you join. So, yeah. Anyway, back to the ute. Had a sponge around here somewhere. There. I'm going to finish this off. Oh, my water pressure around here is crap. Hold up, bro.
Huh?
Step back.
Yeah?
Yep. Even go back further.
Huh?
Step backwards a little bit.
Is Mom? Oh.
How was that noise? Well, that's a ute done, but now I've got the pain in the ass part. That's my fucking wheels. I've used a few products on those. They're just a pain in the ass to wash. But I'm just so normally on the truck and my ute, I just use the old blue motor. And you get that from Highway Truck Accessories. Don't worry, there's no brand deals going on here. Just this is what I use. My neighbour gave me some Omnicrom. Shut up. Neighbour gave me some Omnicrom a while back. I haven't really tried it yet, so I'll see how it goes on the wheels this time. See what happens.
Look at it.
Yeah, well, don't touch.
Look. It's in there.
Ah!
There.
I told you. Stay there. Hopefully this works out alright. Wait and see what happens. Like I said, I've not been contacted to do this. I'm just trying different products, and if I like it, then I'll use it again. Seems to be okay. See what it's like when it dries out, obviously. So I've somehow ended up with a whole gang of kids now. My daughter's back from school. My boy's not at school yet, but I've got my neighbour's son here as well. He's the same age as my daughter, but anyway, they've decided to start washing their scooters, and my boy's washing his little tractor now. So yeah, anyway, it didn't turn out too bad actually. Do we have to? It's probably really hard to tell, but just in these right in there, but generally better than what it was. So I had another, well, couple of times actually, quite a bit just lately, questions about meal prep, what I take when I'm on the road. So I'm going to the butcher's tomorrow, and I'll show you exactly what I'm grabbing when I get home. But basically, for about 100, depending on weight, about $110 to $130, I can get a, can't remember the weight of it now. It's either 4.5, 5 kilo rump cap. And so yeah, I cut that up into its different parts. I think the last rump cap I got about 32 steaks out of it, and trimmed off all the fat. Well, not all of the fat, but probably half a kilo of fat anyway. Probably a bit more than that actually. And I made beef tallow, so I'll do a bit of a video on meal prepping and stuff like that. Anyway, I need to, I've got my little vacuum cleaner here, but of course I don't have a battery, it's in my truck. So I'm not going to worry about vacuuming, but I do need to detail the interior of my ute. Which, and there's a little bag of tricks. There we go. Beautiful. It's that would be Renegade rubber and vinyl cleaner. Probably honestly one of the best interior cleaners I've ever used. It is so good in the truck. Smells good too. Smells really nice. Mr. Split. That's better. Got some window cleaner that will do the windows properly. Oh, the ute's done. I've got to clean these up now. That's how I took them off, so give them a good scrub. And then I've got all my wheel nut covers, all 60 of them. The things we do for bling, eh? Figured if I wash them now, that way on Sunday when I go in to wash my truck, there's one less thing that I have to do. These things have had a hammering, being in the Pilbara on the dirt roads. Some days I do wonder, or I try and have a blinged up truck, or just a shiny, clean truck in general, running up there, but that's a pride thing too, so. That's alright. I still clean up not too bad. No need to be arguing. They're disappointed because they want to be over here doing the washing their stuff, but just while I'm doing this, I can be over on the neighbours. Funny games. 60 wheel nut covers. Why do I do this to myself? I haven't tested them yet with these here, because I haven't got super long threads on my drives, and I'm afraid if those fit on my drives, I'm going to be spending another $220 odd buying 40 more of these. I think that's what it's going to cost, $5 each, $5.20 each or something like that. So I know I'm going to do it, but if they work, because I do like these long ones, I reckon they look mint, but at the moment these work, so yeah. Oh, that's that done. All 60 of them. Should look good now.
Dada,
Yeah, Bubba?
please am I help you?
Nah, Bubba, I'm nearly done, okay?
Oh, and when is us?
No, we're probably going to pack up and finish up for the day. Okay? I've still got to turn my ute around and pack it up still.
Us not finish us duty.
Always full of questions. Yeah.
Play out.
Very nice. Get them all dried off. Put them back in the bag, ready to put them all back on Sunday. I know it's a bit of a different video, but job done anyway. My ute's clean. Bling's all good to go. I'm going to pack the ute up now, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. I think I'm going to go with the old, yeah, I'll work it out anyway, but yeah, see you on the next one.